Hey friends, if the mobile hotspot is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, if the mobile hotspot is not working, first of all, you need to verify if the mobile hotspot is working with other systems. So, I am assuming that the first case that you have a phone or a router in which you started a mobile hotspot and you are unable to catch that on your system. So, are you able to catch that on other systems? And is your system near the mobile hotspot? If not, then let us fix this issue first. After this, you can run the network adapter troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot. Then select other troubleshooters. And then click on run corresponding to the network and internet troubleshooter. The next solution is to update drivers. Search for device manager and open the device manager. Expand the list for network adapters and right click on these adapters and select update driver. Last of all, here's the thing. One thing is that you are trying to catch a mobile hotspot on your computer. The other one is that you want to use your own computer as a mobile hotspot. In that case, you will have to switch on the option for mobile hotspot, which is turned off by default. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu, and then go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select mobile hotspot and turn the switch on, and then you can share your internet connection. Here's one more fix that I will suggest, and that is an SFC scan. Let me mention it here. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command SFC space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.